If you get a lot of emails with meeting details, appointments, or reminders, there's a super simple way to turn those messages into calendar events without copying and pasting everything manually. In this video, I'll show you how to create Google Calendar events from Gmail in just a few clicks. This is a huge time saver for anyone who wants to stay organized and keep track of important dates faster. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail on your computer. This works best on desktop since the event creation option is built right into the Gmail interface. Once Gmail loads, go to the email that contains the information you want to turn into a calendar event. This could be a meeting invitation, a flight confirmation, an appointment reminder, or any email with date and time details. Now open that email. When the message is open, look toward the top of the email for the More icon, which appears as 3 vertical dots. This icon gives you additional options for the message. Click on it and a menu will appear. From that menu, select Create Event. As soon as you do that, Google Calendar will open automatically and it will already have details from the email added into the event form. That means Gmail may fill in useful information like the subject line or parts of the message, saving you even more time. Next, review the event details carefully. You can set the date and time, adjust the title if needed, add guests, and include any extra notes or location information. If the email contains important details that weren't added automatically, you can type them in here. This is also the perfect moment to double check everything so your calendar event is accurate before you save it. If you want, you can also make the event repeat, add a Google Meet link, or set notifications so you don't forget about it. These options can be really helpful for meetings, calls, and recurring appointments. The more you customize the event now, the easier it will be to stay on schedule later. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. The event is now added to your Google Calendar, and you've turned an email into a calendar entry in just a few steps. No manual copying, no extra tabs, and no wasted time. So just to recap, open Gmail, open the email, click the More menu, select Create Event, review the calendar details, and click Save. It's one of the easiest ways to stay organized if you use Gmail and Google Calendar together. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tutorials that make everyday tech tasks easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.